All right, so I got a really good entry yesterday in this counter trend. Um, I saw price right after we opened. It was literally this candle that I saw, and I didn't even wait for an engulfing because I understood where we were. You see that price kept rejecting from this level. I understood that an actual transition began to happen for the counter trend. And that signal was given to me by the break of these highs. And we see, bullish, you get some dojis, but overall there's a whole lot of bullish momentum. Not only that, but we were maintaining the higher lows, right? And then when I went on the 4-hour, I saw that, how do I say this? You had this engulfing, but then you had this higher low, and then you had this higher low again that was maintaining that same exact level, right? So even when I drew this support level, I realized that I think it was this candle that we were in. In that moment, we were literally face down in support. And so I was like, well, this is an opportunity for me to get a really good entry for this counter trend. So last night, and I don't trade Asian like that, but when I see an opportunity, I'm gonna take it. I think it's worth the risk to this 38.2 right here. Well, I'm in one of the trades. I'm in this trade right now for one of the accounts. The other one, I'm pretty sure I just passed the first stage on my Forex funds with this one trade right here. So overall, my plan for the week was to wait for a bearish transition because, overall, we want to see something like this is a nice weekly level. So, there's a lot of liquidity right there, point A, point B. And then the 38.2 is also, where is it? Yeah, right here, 38.2. And that's the thing with counter trend trades. It's like, if you're going to take them, at least make the take profit 38.2. Once it starts to go past that, it's a little bit risky because, price could just reverse depending on the setup. So yeah, once price gets into this level and we start to see some break of support, that's when I'm going to want to go in with this idea right there. And now for gold, I'm thinking that it's starting to counter trend. And I say that because you can see that you have this last higher low, but it was in a weekly level. And more than likely it's going to come down to what point? Well, let's see, point A. This is just a 23.6 right here. So now we can continue to carry this up. So properly, this is 61.8, 50%, 38%. It could probably touch back into this weekly level. It just depends. I would prefer to take buys if it can come back into this weekly demand. If it can come back into this weekly demand, and then show a transition, that'll be really good. And I will be down to take that buy. But given as though it's not like the highest we've ever been, it could have even more of a intense pullback, but we don't know. We don't know nothing. It could have some nice steep retracement. So we got news today for the US dollar. Put that. All right. Yeah, this is what I have for gold right now. Probably won't get ideal buys today, but again, we don't know. It's just a matter of watching and waiting and seeing what price is going to do today. I do anticipate price to come up all the way to this 38.2. It can either come here, or it can come all the way up in this level, or even touch this 153 psychological level. We don't know.